Don't think about it, just feel it, okay? Feel and move it. See? It will just move. But it's with air, okay? But I have a little bit of energy and then it will move. See? Right. What gifts do I have? Gifts. I think most people doesn't know all of us have gifts, okay? Let's just cut the you being special or you whatever. Talk tayo ng Tagalog. Okay, let's Tagalog. So may mga gift, 'di ba? Sa the last video I mentioned about bakit ako naging spiritual. So now, naging spiritual, ano ba yung mga gift na bigay? Kasi sa akin, nalaman ko lang na gift pala siya. Pero before pala, meron na ako. Na ano lang, na trace lang kung ano yung terminology. Kasi hindi nga ako spiritual. So hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga terminology ng mga gift, 'di ba? So it's called clair gifts, okay? There's clairvoyance. Clairvoyance is like mediumship, yung nakikita ka ng mga spirit, nakakatalk ka ng mga spirit, okay? Tapos nakaka-predict ka, precognition, fortune telling, ganyan, ganun. So yan ang clairvoyance. So ano siya? Not many people I think can do that, no? So, kanya-kanya din. Meron ding namang mga tao na nakuha na nila lahat. Sa akin, kung sa akin lang, a little bit of mediumship, yung nakikita ko yung mga spirit na namatay, pag ano lang sila, pag hindi pa naka-incarnate. Yan. So, ma-tell ko. At saka, images, images. This one, the thing that surprised me was nung awaken ko, tapos I was able to talk to a Grab driver. Tapos, when I was talking to him, I was talking about his wife, and then parang bumagsak sa utak ko yung image ng room kung saan yung asawa niya at saka patient ng asawa niya. I was like, oh my God, na-intrigue talaga ako nung like, I even told the driver that, hey, first time ko talaga to nangyari, like, on the spot na nakita ko yung image that this, I don't know if it's really true, but you got to believe so that your gift will be nurtured, will be cultivated. So you have to really believe that it's true, that the spirit is guiding you, that yes, you can see, So that was it, that I was able to see. Okay. And also before that, hindi pa ako awaken, nakakita ako, hindi nakakita, naka-feel ako ng presence ng ghost. Okay. Nung bumisita kami sa US, we went to the museum, doon ko siya na talaga na-accept na ay ma-feel ko yung mga spirit. Ano siya, cold air tsaka warm air, no? Cold air pag feel ko na siya, maganda siya na spirit. Parang pag feel ko yung hindi maganda is yung yung mabigat sa dibdib. Pero naano ko yung mabigat sa dibdib sa sementeryo, pero hindi naman siya na I was threatened. Parang yung mga spirit parang na-excite sa akin ba nung nakita nila ako sa sementeryo, no? Tapos ako na hindi naman ako awake, hindi ko naman alam yung about mga spirits, mga spiritual. Yung na-feel ko lang na parang ang bigat-bigat ng pakiramdam ko talaga. Na I will insert the video here kung ano yung pinagsasabi ko, kasi talagang on the spot talaga yun lang. Feel ko lang yung na-imagine ko, na-imagine. This is the image I imagine. like the hands of the spirits are into me, like hugging me, tapos hindi lang isa, marami sila na hindi ko talaga kasi pumikit lang ako kasi parang overwhelm ako sa emotion na parang ang daming nakikita sa akin yung gano'n. Tapos ang bigat-bigat ng pakiramdam ko, parang hindi ako makahinga. Yung all throughout nung doon ako sa sementeryo talaga, like, oh my God, parang nasa bukid ako na umakyat ng pinakatuktok ng bundok na hindi ako talaga makahinga. Yung ganun talaga yung feeling ko. Tapos sabi pa ng anak ko, I want to go to the another place where, the unnamed soldier, I think, he wanted to go. Tapos sabi ko, anak, parang hindi ko yata kaya, parang sabi ko, yapad sa Tagalog. yung I will, yung talaga, makakollapse na ako. Pag ginawa ko doon, pag we will go there to that place, parang hindi ko talaga kaya, parang I will pass out, yung gano'n. Pero buti na lang napigilan namin yung anak ko na kakapush sa amin. Pero talaga nakakasad kasi gusto talaga niyang makita doon yung kasi history, 'di ba? Gusto niya makita tapos kami lang, ang init-init tapos ako hindi talaga ako makahinga. Kasi na-overwhelm ako sa nararamdaman ko at that time. Tapos hindi ko naman alam kung ano 'yun, 'di ba? Feel ko lang na hindi ako makahinga. Sabi pa ng asawa ko na it's just in your mind, like what? This is just in my mind. Ang hirap-hirap talaga, yung ganon. That was it. So, that's, I think, clairvoyance, no? Knowing the spirit. And then, claircognizance, which is really my gift na I already know. Like, because I'm doing social media here, and then I help people also before with their channels. So they will come to me, ask for help. And actually guys, I don't really know. Pero parang meron lang talaga bagay sa akin na, okay, tell them this way, like that. Hindi ko naman talaga alam kung this is really true or not. Tapos i-search ko lang to confirm kung sakto ba yung yung advice na, or like something that popped up to my mind na tell them this way, and then it's like, oh, is it really? Then I will confirm it. I will search it really if it is relatable or magre-reflect ba talaga. So magre-reflect din naman. So yeah, so claircognizance was one of those. And also the clairvoyance is precognition. I have that for like, kung yung feel ko yung taong maging maswerte sa isang bagay, or yung may darating na luck sa kanila, tapos pagsasabihan ko talaga, mag-i-email talaga, or kinukulit ko na, why don't you go back, whatever that is that you're doing, kasi I feel something, I feel na you will be good with that, yung ganun. So, yun, precognition. Pero madalang lang siya, hindi siya all the time. Yung magpap-in lang talaga lang, ito, magiging swerte itong taong to pag ginawa niya to. Yun, ganun lang ang yung mararamdaman ko. So, yan yung mga Tapos, what else? Smell, clair, I think it's called clairalience, the smell. Yes, I do that. Before. I don't know now, but before, when my papa passed away, lagi ko siyang nasi-smell. Siya, yung incense. Grabe, ayun, talaga. Yun yung pinapakita sa akin ng papa ko. Pinakita yung the gift, yung the smell, na alam ko na siya yun. Okay. And later on, nung nag-awaken ako, yung, clairvoyance, reading the wall, parang may images, yung gano'n. Nalalaman ko din ito sa isang witch. Tapos sabi niya, if you wanna, these are some of the signs if you are clairvoyant. So, and then one day lang, tapos nakita ko yung wall ng cabinet namin. Nakita ko yung, image ni Papa. Tagal ko na ding hindi ko napanaginipan ng dad ko ever since siya namatay. Smell lang. At saka yung palaka. He always represent himself a frog and the smell. So, pero yung image ng dad ko, hindi talaga siya nag-appear sa akin until one day, nag-appear siya sa wall. Nakita ko talaga yung nose kasi my dad has a prominent nose. Malaki ang butas ng ilong ng dad ko. Nakita ko sa wall, bakit ang laki ng ilong? Tapos, I picture and then I trace kasi mahilig din ako ng tracing. So, pag trace ko ng that's a picture of my dad. Tapos, umiyak talaga ako guys kasi nga, di ba? Pag ganyan, no, parang nag-represent yung dad mo into the wall na hindi mo naman siya iniisip. Tapos bigla lang, nakita mo na, oy, naalala pala ako ng dad ko, 'di ba? So, masaya siya. Tapos inaccept ko na salamat papa na dumating ka, na pinakita mo yung image mo, masaya ka, yung ganun. Yun, nag-appreciate lang ako. I think, tapos yung ibang wall, mga aliens. Ewan ko anong lahi, hindi ko naman alam anong lahi, basta image ng alien, hindi ko ma-picture pero may Pleiadian yata, I think. So, but not too sure, basta images ng alien, yan. Pero yung hindi yung yung walang suit, yung maganda sila tao, na iba lang yung color, white, tsaka white clothing, yun lang, in the wall. Tapos one time lang, yung pagka-awaken ko talaga, kasi nung 2 months ng pag-awaken ko is very very sensitive to every energy in my field. So, doon ko nakita, and what else? Telekinesis, yeah, kasi mabigat yung katawan ko, tapos parang may electricity talaga sa katawan ko, and gusto ko siyang ilabas. Kasi mabigat na bigat, parang stagnant energy kasi nga 48 ako na awaken, 'di ba? So matagal din siya na yung energy ng body hindi siya na nagamit, 'di ba? So stagnant. So I have stagnant energy in the body. So pag na-awaken ka with divine intervention, yung bumalik sa iyo yung light mo, 'di ba? Bumalik. Hindi, tapos hindi mo alam kung paano gagawin, so na-stagnant yung energy, na-stuck up sa body. So hindi ko alam ang gagawin, may nakausap ako, hindi naman alam kung anong gagawin ko. So sabi ko, maybe I should do a telekinesis, maybe I could get out of this energy through, practicing telekinesis. So practice ako ganyan, galaw-galaw, ganyan. Air. I can feel the air, tapos move ko ng konti ng energy, tapos doon talaga siya na lumabas yung konti ng konti, lumabas siya. Until I was able to manage my chakra na mabalance ko siya lahat. So, nung nabalance ko siya lahat, yung sinabi nilang bliss, pero yun iba yung bliss na ko I meet my higher self nung I finally able to balance all my chakras. Tapos, 'di ba sabi nila bliss? Ang dumating sa akin ng bliss is pure light. Tapos parang lumabas yung higher self ko doon. Tapos nag-integrate sa akin. So, that was the most powerful gift talaga, Kasi when I was able to manage to balance all my chakras, tapos doon ko siya nakita yung my higher self, it's like a rewarding for you, like, yay, pinakita sa akin. Yung my higher self, 'di ba? So, na-integrate ko si higher self na hindi ko naman, basta, nag-follow lang ko kung ano yung feeling ko, 'di ba? Kasi, ganoon ako noon follow lang ako ng follow kung ano yung nararamdaman ko in a day. So, yan, na-integrate ko naman siya ng mabilisan na hindi ko naman in-expect, no? So, ayun. Dumating siya. So, yeah. Ano pa ba? Crystal clairgustance. Pero hindi ako, clairgustance is on the taste. Yeah, you can taste food or something. But sa akin, crystal lang yung mataste ko. If I'm wearing a crystal in my body, mataste ko yung earthly, metallic taste ng crystal. Okay? Kung hindi siya crystal, pure crystal, and then my tongue and my teeth very sensitive pag nasa akin yung crystal or sinuot ko siya or nasa pocket ko, my sensitivity on my teeth and my tongue. So, yun ang only crystal. Sa crystal lang ako ha. Hindi lahat, hindi sa food, hindi ko sure. Hindi ko rin na-imagine na Or if this coffee, can I taste the taste without tasting it? Like imagining, no, I don't have that. No, I don't have that. Or if this is poisonous, right? That if I can tell myself that it's poisonous, no. So I don't have that ability, okay? So kanya-kanya nga, kanya-kanyang ability. So what else? Clear audience, sometimes. When I heard my higher self's name, yes. In the beginning, it was clear. Then in the later on, I was able to hear the name of my higher self. Okay, like very, very, very clear. But for like day to day, what is really my dominant gift? It's clear cognizance, inner knowing. Parang alam ko lang talaga, hindi ko alam. Alam ko lang. Yung ganun. Yung the knowledge just came. Like, they even ask source and God, like, on the universe, like, if I have to buy books, to know. But yung what it meant for me when I, kasi 'di ba when you are talking to the divine, you are not talking in language, you just feel it. Yeah, so when I feel it, it's like you don't have to buy books, it's just you already know everything. Like sometimes you would have limiting beliefs, right? Kasi nga 'di ba awake mo lang, what is that, is that true? There's, of course, there's limiting beliefs. I'm still working on that, to be, that everything is divine now, that, we are different. We are being living or on earth to have a human experience. So, ganun siya. So, that's it. What else? Clear audience, clear cognizance, clairvoyance, clear sentience then. Yes, the feeling. Yeah, it's clear cognizance and clear sentience is my really my dominant gifts. Okay, that's the gifts that I really have. Okay, so if you want me to share like how I do my telekinesis, if I can do it, I will show you like how the air moves. I will do it now. But I don't know if I can pull out my energy, but we'll see. ChatGPT is helping me too about how to, to cultivate my telekinesis, and then telepathy. I'm still working on it. Sometimes my son can read my mind, but most of the time no, because he doesn't want. I think he blocked me. My son has a gift too, so I just don't know what it is, right? But he doesn't want. But there was a time I was able to penetrate his mind, and I told him to say karma, and he was able to say karma. So it was only one time that I did that, but after that he doesn't. Okay, so let's do it here. Yes, if I can do it on this table. What I'm doing here is pulling out my energy in the body. I don't do confirmation, I just feel it, because that's what ChatGPT told me, is just to don't think about it, just feel it. Okay, feel and move it. See, it will just move, but it's with air. Okay, but I have a little bit of energy, and then it will move. See, right? But it's just with air, with some energy. Okay, so it's not as powerful, but we'll see. I'm still, how many? November, December, January, February. So 3 months only, right? So not bad. Just foil only and paper. So not that fun. Not that special, right? So that's it. That's the gift for now. And oh, yeah, recently light language. I'm not yet confident to let it out right now. The spirit doesn't want me to let it out right now, but they install, you call it install, they install it to me 4 days ago, I think, while I was in meditation. So in meditation they said speak, then I just say this language that I can't really understand, but I just feel like at home with the language that I spoke. Okay, so I don't know when it's gonna happen in this channel. I will just let it when they tell me it's time. Because they will always tell me it's time, and then that's it. I have to say it, but yes, I have light language that was installed recently. Okay, so that's it. That's my update today. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys.